Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to use the chart replay mode in EdgeProX. You can access replay mode by clicking on the chart replay icon in the toolbar or by selecting View from the menu bar and then selecting replay mode. Once in replay mode, a bar will appear at the bottom of your chart with the replay settings. To start, open the replay preferences by selecting the cog wheel at the right side of the replay toolbar. Here you can select your bar data, minute data, or tick data depending on your preferences. You can also click on real delay to adjust the speed factor manually, or you can just have it set in the next two boxes. You can create multiple replay accounts. However, for this example, we'll use the default replay account. To turn on the replay mode, select the power button in the replay toolbar. The chart will then reset to the time and date of whatever start time you have selected in the replay bar start time window. When selecting the play button, the chart will advance on a tick-by-tick basis, while clicking on the next button will advance to the next bar. To replay based on your replay mode preferences settings, click on the next button over. In replay mode, you can execute your orders and they will be recorded in your replay account. You can leave orders open in the replay market as well. When finished, simply click on the power button to return your charts to their original state.